Yes, so today I'm be going over the value of all the tees from the Syed vintage bowl and showing you all the tees that I've got. I'm going to go from best to worst of the tees. There was probably about 10 dead ones that I'm not going to include, but there were 30 really good ones that I am, so let's get into showing you them. The tee that I'm currently wearing, I would say this is actually one of my favourite ones out the bale. Print on the front's a little bit faded, but the print on the back for a St. Patrick's Day pub crawl, I just think this is really cool. I really like this tee. I don't think it'll do too well though, but if it does sit for a long time, I might just keep it because I've only got it up for £10, but I think this is so cool. Then we've got this like Shawn Mendes tour top. For all you Shawn Mendes fans out there, he went to loads of different locations. Who knows if this tour actually happened? It must have done, but I think this could do really well. It would have done so much better if it didn't have the Shawn Mendes stuff on the back, but I've got this one up for another £12, so I think this will be gone relatively soon. Then this San Francisco football team top, I really like this. There is a little bit of fade into the print, however some people do really like that look, so I've listed this up for £10, which I think is really fair. Then the Patagonia tee that in the unboxing I didn't really like because I didn't know it was Patagonia. I just kind of like tossed it to the side like it was nothing, but this t-shirt's actually made out of 4.8 plastic bottles, so I think that really adds value to the tee because people do like the whole eco feel to this. And it's a size medium. I've listed this up for £17. I think this is such a steal. Then onto this like Back to the Future tee, which I really like this print on. No cracking or marks on this, and it's a size large. All the tees I got out of this bale were so good for sizing, because normally in the bales you get some like dodgy sizes, like you get double XLs or triple XLs. I think I got like 1XL out of the whole bale, but this is up for £12, another steal. We're getting into some of the bangers now, starting off with this Dog Life tee. You might be thinking this one doesn't look like a banger, it's a bit basic, but then you flip it over and you've got all the musicians on the back. Freddie Mercury, David Bowie, Jimi Hendrix, and just so many more. I think this tee is so sick. The only thing with it, I think it'll be a hard sell just where people can't see the back on the Depop feed, but I've got this up for £15. And then another one of my favourite tees, which is this Mountain Dew cat tee. I thought this tee was so sick, it's already sold. It sold for £12 about 3 days after I listed it, so now it's all packaged, ready to go out to the buyer after this video. A little tip for you if you are sending t-shirts in poly mailers, if you ever get it so they're like this, make sure to tape the ends up. The post office will probably do it for you anyway, but if anything gets caught in there that could rip your parcel open, so just tape it up so you don't lose your parcel. All these pro tips and you haven't subscribed. A huge print on this, and it's got like I think these are designed to kind of be like stars in a way, trying to give it like the space vibe. This is up for £12 just because of the size of the print and the condition of the tee. Then onto this like Disney The Lion King top, which in last video I just kind of threw away as well. This one's a little bit basic, but it's not the end of the world considering what other stuff we've got. I think it was because I didn't know it was actually Lion King till I washed it, but this is a really cool tee. Looking at it again, I don't know how I didn't realise it was Lion King. It's literally got the characters on the front and it says Lion King in big letters on the inside tag. This is up for £12, which I think is a really good price for like a Disney tee. Then there's this green bear whatever it takes tee. I think this is so cool. I thought it was quite funny the sponsors this got on the back. Did you ever see in England an ammo depot at a bail bonds company sponsoring someone? And as well it's got a Toyota, an Applebee's and a Chick-fil-A. I think this tee's so cool. Once again, if this one doesn't sell, I'm keeping it all day. This is up for £12, which I think is such a steal for this. I would pay so much more. Then this like Notre Dame NFL football team. I think this is so cool, front and back print, and it's also got the little print on the arm, and it's a size medium. I've got this in 2 different sizes. As you can see, I've got 2 of them, but this one is in a size extra large, and as well this one even has the brand new tags on it. But I think I could get about £15 for both of them, so 30 total. Once again, another Star Wars tee, but this time featuring all the characters: Yoda, Darth Vader. To be honest, that's about all I know. Chewbacca. That's his name. R2-D2. See, look, I know about Star Wars. There's a little bit of fading on the tag, which isn't the end of the world, but I think this is an easy £10. And then onto this really cool, like, Bob's Burgers tee, which if you're a fan of Bob's Burgers, you'll probably understand what this means a lot more than I do. This would be really cool if you are a Bob's Burgers fan, and it's only £10. Then this, like, American flag tee where, like, the trees are the stripes. Original Outdoor Outfitters. I've never really heard of them, but I really like this tee. This is another easy £10. Then this, like, Popeye tee. I really like this one. There is a little bit of fading on the print, but as I said, people do like that. I think it's only from 2018 or 16, it says on the bottom, so it's not really like a vintage one. But I think this could definitely still sell for £10. We're hitting the serious bangers now, though. Starting off with this pink Corona Del Man King's Crew tee. I really like this. The only thing is there are two very minor holes near the neck ribbon, but even with the holes, I think I could still get at least £10 for this. Then this, like, really cool graphic Dolphins Follow Your Dreams tee. Only one very minor flaw to the print, which is really good for a print this size. It's an extra large, so it could be a little bit better of a size, but I think I can still get at least 15 for this just because of the graphic. Another one of my personal favourites, a 5-finger Death Punch band top from a tour that they did. I've never really heard of them, but I just really like the graphic. Being so cool, I think I could at least get £20 to £25 for this item. And then another really cool front and back print tee. Pretty much a top to bottom print on both sides from MMA Elite. Just because of the size and the design on this, I think I can easily get £15 for this, easy. Then this, like, huge Chiefs print. I really like this just because of all the colours on the print, and as well size medium with the little Enemy of the State print on the back as well. This was arguably one of the best tees that we got out of the barrel, so I think I get 20 for this. And then this really cool Ice Cube print. I think this tee's so cool. The graphic on it so nice, and as well it's Ice Cube, so how could you not like it? It's a size large, and it is a bit of a baggier size large, but I think I can get 30 for this. Then our second Disney tee, but this time it's Mickey Mouse. This really nice, like, floral print on there. It's got the most minor mark on the arm, literally probably the width of a 10p coin. It's a size medium, and for being a white tee with only that little minor mark on it, I think £15 is such a fair and solid price for this tee. But then onto this, like, Dalek tee. I think this is really cool, but this is up for £12 just where there is no crack into the print, which once again I think's fair. Then for our last three tees, to start off the last three is this anime tee, which after googling it, because I don't know too much about anime, Super Saiyan Rose I think this person is, but it's got the really nice full body print on it. But I think £15 for this is really fair. Someone who really likes anime would like this. Then onto, like, I think this is our only, like, second branded piece, but it's this Michael Jordan Jumpman tee. Really cool graphic, and it's got the nice little Jumpman on the back, size medium, another easy 15. Then onto the last tee, and a tee you've definitely already seen because I quite like it. I've used it for 1-2 thumbnails, but it's this Mickey Mouse top. I think this is so nice. Only thing with it is though that there is a little, like, pink mark over his nose, but it's not the end of the world. Once again, it's actually a Disney top. It's on a Disney tag, so I think I can easily get £15 for this. But if you have watched to this point in the video and you have enjoyed it, please like the video and subscribe to my channel so we can hit 1k by the end of the year. It'd be so appreciated if you could. But let's get on to my actual take home for all these items, which came to £336. That was adding on as well a couple other pieces that I didn't mention in this video, taking away fees that came to about £181.60. My take home after that is £354, which still isn't bad, but then just taking away the 90 that I paid is £264, which still from all these tees, £264 actual profit isn't bad at all. And as well, my Depop's in the description where all these tees are available, so go grab a steal. And as well, in the description and up on the screen now is my Instagram. I think you should go follow it. You get to see what I'm up to, you get to see sneak previews of what the videos are going to be. As I said, I really do hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, whether to buy a barrel like this for yourself in the future. But please like, subscribe and comment down below any videos you'd like to see in the future.